Under persons desiring additional information from the department heads, may I ask that you step forward to the podium, state your name and address clearly for the record, and keep your question to 3 minutes maximum per person, no more than 30 minutes total. Your questions must only pertain to each department head's report this evening.
My name is Sherry Brown. I live at 35 Kirk Street. I guess I would be addressing Mr. Reno. At the last meeting and at this meeting, I've heard that there have been air quality tests done at that house at 33 Kirk Street. Bactronics doesn't do air quality tests. They do surface quality tests, which when we looked up, my daughter and I looked up the nanotechnology that Bactronics uses, and it's basically to approve it for FDA for food service, which is not making that a healthy home. The roof was replaced on the little garage, but I don't know if it's actually straight or not. And then the dumpster has sat there for almost a week, which is exactly what I was concerned about prior to this whole situation starting, is that these dumpsters were going to sit there and the decay was just going to sit there, and that's exactly what's happened. As far as Mr. Fortunato assured us and the City Council in June that this situation was going to be over in 90 days. That means the whole situation. That is not going to happen. That's obvious to me. Spring of 2017, Mr. Ruino, I met you in the fall of 2013, if you remember correctly. Spring of 2017. This is insane. I suggest that something be done with the information I provided Mr. Tish and Mr. Cicero about doing something about these homes. Because I'm going to be stuck next to this house until the day I move out of my house. And I already know that. But everybody needs to make a decision and actually enforce it. And I will not sit there and listen to people say that these are air quality tests. This company is not making this home safe. No remediation has been done. Nothing has been removed.
Well, I was just asking the city manager, the fire district, the chief is going to conduct air quality tests in there.
And is he doing that himself, or is he having a company come
I
in?
don't know that. I don't know that.
So now I have to deal with the fire chief?
Yeah, I'm certainly not qualified to address
The
any.
fire
terms of
chief
that
is the only
issue, yeah.
person making decisions about this now?
No, I'm talking, you asked about air quality tests, and I'm answering a question about air quality tests, and that is, my understanding is the fire chief will do that. As to any other issues, we'll answer your questions. You asked a question about air quality. I gave you an answer about air quality.
When is the air quality test going to be done? After the fire chief?
Before the work. That's why we want the 3-day notice, so that the fire chief could get in there and run some air quality tests before they do any ripping apart of anything. That's my
And there's no more
understanding.
timeline than that?
Pardon me?
There's no more timeline than that?
Not that I'm aware of.
Sherry, the way I'm looking at this is that the city focuses on zoning, right? Zoning adherence. The police, or the fire chief, is responsible to ensure air quality and that the mold is handled. That's the division of labor, so to speak. And he's not here, he doesn't report to the city, he is part of, right, township and the city. So you can't answer those questions about when he's going to test for air, right?
My issue was the fact that it's been mentioned at these meetings twice now that we already have air quality tests and we don't. It was termed as air quality test instead of being surface quality tests, and I would like that changed for public record, because those are strictly surface quality tests. Which means that if I clean this little dot right here and made it safe to cut my tomato on, and you cut your tomato on any countertop at 33 Kirk Street and died from whatever is growing in that house, they could still prove that right there you could cut your tomato and you can eat it. And that does not make that home safe. And that, I just wanted that entered into public record. Because I get to sit there and watch it, and so do the rest of my neighbors. And to have it said at these meetings that things are happening and this is going on, and 10 days that house has been worked on since they ripped that roof off. 10 days.